What's up guys, welcome to the introduction to a new build series entitled the Spare Parts RX-7. And this is an RX-7 that you might have seen in the background of one of our videos. The goal is to take it from what it is, which is a shit box, and transform it using all of the spare parts in the garage. This is Neil, and this is his car. He's gonna explain a little bit about it. He's gonna unlock it for us and we're gonna take a look at it.
So this is my 1985 RX-7 GSLSE. The last year of production came with a 13B fuel injected, and all of that is gone now. This is how I get into the car. I unlock the lock cylinder, and as you can see, there were some rats living in it at one point, and the steering column's not bolted in, and it's gonna be fast. Safe, maybe. Fast, probably.
Fast, definitely.
Definitely
Safe,
fast.
Probably not.
So we honestly don't have like a huge idea about what this is gonna turn into. So it'll be fun to take you guys on a ride as we try to like put things like Fiat suspensions into it. What, this is for like some kind of Fiat?
Yeah, it's a Fiat 500A bar with like Bilstein suspension setup. I bought like 4 years ago when I owned one.
And really whatever's laying around.
FC front subframes. There is a rotary. There's also other engines that might go in it. We'll find out.
So without further ado, Spare Parts RX-7.
Spare parts.
Okay, so the goal now that the car is in here is to strip all of the stuff out because nothing's being used at all, pretty much. Yeah. This is all. Yeah. Are you even using that transmission?
I am not using that transmission. There's an FC transmission from a second gen right over there.
One of the 600 transmissions that's in our shop. All right. Well, long story short, all this is going, and then the interior that's definitely going to give us some kind of disease. All this needs to be. There's rat shit, there's, you know, you've seen roadkill before. You know what these cars that have been sitting outside for a long time look like. So we're gonna get right into tearing all this crap out, trying to make it much of a rolling shell as possible.
It sure don't want to move, man. Ooh, that boy's in there.
Too much red.
That boy's in there. The grommet popped into the car, so I feel like that actually might be a small victory.
Let's try to get it in one go. Just
let's see. This one's all under vinyl interior stuff, but we're gutting this thing anyway, so. All right. That's almost free.
We got most of it out in one go.
Yeah, but at least got good access now, so we're hanging in there.
You know how much you like trains, Devin. You're really good at Sudoku, bro.
Really good at Sudoku.
That's real in there.
Yeah, man. I don't fucking know what the fuck is holding that thing on.
I think this thing's way less of a piece of shit now, honestly.
Yeah, the body is really solid. So as far as like race car
honestly,
shit goes,
the paint's not even bad. It's really these flares that are just detracting from the overall appearance of the car.
I will say these flares looked cool when nobody else had way better looking flares.
Yeah, but now that's all anybody does. Is
yeah, now everybody be
hot boy wide bodies and
RWB.
7 years ago when I put these flares on, it was the dopest thing.
Yeah.
And now everybody's got flares.
Yeah, and everyone's on bags. We're going Fiat A-bar suspension, coilovers.
Yeah.
You know, bags.
JDM.
Bags. I think they've run their course.
Yeah.
These are actually like E36 spring rate, which will be perfect.
Yeah, it's like a 220-pound spring because I called Bilstein today.
I mean, you could just put it on bags.
Yeah, I could put it on bags.
Don't put it
bag
on
it
bags.
out. Bag it out.
Yeah, we can get some hot boy.
Dude, you can make it a car on air super fast, I swear.
It'll never be fast. It'll be cool though, dude. Street credit. This is how easy everybody on the internet thinks an LS swap is. Done.
Let's boost it.
Now let's boost it, guys.
Boosted.
Perfect. This whole project's done. Let's start it up and go.
I honestly have no fucking clue how this car didn't rust into a pile of dust in my yard.
Yeah, I can't. There's no
Because
rust.
Mazda's better than Nissan.
Fair.
That's a contentious claim that's also extremely accurate.
Keep the pressure up. Breathe.
Yeah, just take deep breaths.
Here, apply firm, consistent pressure.
Okay, so the harness is out of the engine bay and out of the inside of the car too, and it's in a big pile right here. Most of the stuff isn't going back in. And the next step would be to dry ice all of the, is it like sound deadening stuff?
Yeah, it's like tar paper or something like that.
We're gonna air chisel and dry ice that, so that'll be cool to watch. But for right now, you know, we might stick a seat in here just to see how those are gonna go. We have some spare Kirkies over here, spare parts car, and those are going in the spare parts car. And we also have these spare over fenders. So let's take a look at these, see how these fit.
So they're not made for this car. I think they're made for a Celica coupe or a Celica hatch.
Made for like a TA27, TA20.
Like 70 Celica.
The curve is there,
Yeah, the curve
and
is
the
there.
metal.
The thing is here, the body line goes so far in, so we're probably gonna do it kind of Rocket Bunny style and just cut it,
Yeah, just taper it.
then taper it off, and then we're.
Are you gonna get different wheels or do like a?
Different wheels?
Yeah.
These are
Yeah.
because they were there.
Cheapos.
And then we're probably gonna actually do like vents and stuff for the wheel wells because this is gonna be a track focused build.
Where it fits much better, because if you line this bottom part up and we get rid of this piece of trim, we should be able to.
The curve's pretty good.
We should be able to pucker that right in. And we're planning on doing like a diffuser and vent situation on the fenders and quarter panels anyway, so it'll probably get cut off either below or above this body line. And then this will get trimmed out to suit.
That's
so
cool.
it looks like it's all gonna fucking work pretty perfect.
Dude, I'm gonna say it like for the 60th time, dude. This paint's not bad. Oh, this dog smells, dude. You farting?
Probably.
You're definitely farting.
She's all excited.
So we didn't actually end up working on the car more last night. We kind of just drank a bunch of beer and sat around and talked about it. So we're gonna segue this out with a cooking section. If you guys follow our channel for any amount of time, you know that sometimes we cook things. And we've never actually done breakfast, so we figured it's a good time to bust out our 150 eggs, make a 150 egg omelet. No, we're not doing that. We're gonna make some bomb breakfast and close it out after that. Okay, so what's gonna happen here is we gotta do it in one bite because that's how this always goes. You guys seen it. So I think, what, you're just gonna combine everything?
Yeah.
Fold it like a taco. Hold on.
It's fire, as always. Holy shit, it's actually really good. It's really good, right? Oh man, it's so bomb.
Yo, fuck sunglasses, dude. We should sell that.
Right? Make a fucking breakfast joint, dude. That was fucking bomb.
All right, guys, that's gonna wrap this one up. We gotta do it quick because the video, or camera's gonna die. Devin's gonna pick a winner for this video's giveaway. If you guys are not familiar with the channel, we give away stuff from boostedshades.com every single video.
All right, this video's winner is Johan M.
All right, hit us up at Teamboosted at boostedshades.com or through any of our social media platforms. We'll get back to you and ship you something. If you guys want to win, all you got to do is like, be subscribed, and leave a comment. Your comment could be anything. Sometimes we ask you guys stuff at the end of the video. If you want to answer that, you can.
All right, this video's question, we want to know what your opinion on the spare parts RX-7 is. So drop that down in the comments and let us know what you think.
Yeah, let us know what you think. Let us, if you have any requests for it, if there's anything you want to see go into it, and just anything RX-7 related, and you're good to go. Like, subscribe, leave that comment, any comment, and that's gonna do it for this one.
As always, guys, thanks for watching. We'll see you next time.